guys, it's Michelle again, coming to you from sunny Florida, and welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I'm going to try to recreate another painting I did a while back. It's called Sunrise Under the Sea. I don't know if it's going to work or not. The colors are a little bit different, not too bad, not too much, but this one is Golden's Prussian hue, and that is with Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue. Whoopsie, that is Pebeo iridescent green blue. Then we have Decoart, this is extreme sheen, and there's my little bug. Get off. Oh geez. Well, we'll have a little bit of organic matter in our painting today. And then this is a combination of, Artist Loft aqua green, and we have a little bit of sea glass in there from TLP, and a little bit of Arteza light green. Here comes the white, and that's the cloud mix. And then we're going to go into that is quinacridone nickel azo gold, and then we're going to go back into blue. Blue, and I ended with quinacridone. All right, hopefully this works. I'm gonna put down the rest of the quinacridone, nickel azo gold, and we're gonna pour on top of that and see what we come up with. Let me move these out of the way. Geronimo. I know the beginning of the cup was right, so hopefully that's all that matters. There we go. It looks pretty darn close, I must say. And I did put some gold around. Let's find my stick here. I'm gonna thin this out a little bit. Oh my God, guys, what I did earlier, I wouldn't believe. I mistook the bottles, and I thought I was putting water in my flow extender, and I put rubbing alcohol. So we are going to try acrylic now with Floetrol and water as our flow extender. This is looking pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna fix that center though. It's just a little bit off. There. And a little bit more water. How's everybody doing? Hopefully well. Okay, here we go. Around the edge. Wow, this looks pretty, it's pretty close. I don't know, hopefully I can tilt it the same. You can never get the same painting, ever. I mean, it's not gonna happen, because every one of them are unique. So, my flow extender looks a little thick. Yeah, don't like this. If you're going to try and fix your center or fix anything, it's probably best to do it before you start tilting, because once you start tilting, it's going to take a shape all its own. Oh, this Blick stuff is pretty thick. I've never tried the Blick acrylic before, so I know the Messy Boys are they're affiliates, so I thought I'd try it out. It's still really thick. We'll go with it. Wow. I had no idea it was that thick. All right, let's try and spread that around a little bit. Wow, look at all those cells right there. That extreme sheen, man, it's definitely a cell maker. Yeah, with pouring, you can never, ever, ever replicate something. That's what makes it so fun. Everything's always going to be different. But we can try to get it close. It's moving super slow because it's super thick. You know what? I forgot to torch it. Let's torch it first. All right. this. I think I like it. Just the way it is. Maybe not. Let's move it a little bit over to the right. Well, it's not moving too quick, so we don't have too much paint on it, which is good. See, what's different about this one is it's got all that white up here, and I really love that. It looks really ethereal. I think I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, the fingerling's got a little bit out of hand, but that's okay. I'm not usually a fan of green, but this is with the aqua in it and then the dark, it's kind of cool. So what I did with the last one, and I didn't like the jagged lines, I did that. Kind of straighten them out a bit. Not a fan of the jaggeds. I like that better anyway. Kind of gives it a little interest. I wonder what would happen if I did this when I first realized I had jagged lines. And then stretch them out a bit. Lovely. I'm gonna keep it. Well, not keep it, but yeah, if you guys ever want, if you see something you like, and all my pieces are for sale, you can email me at, I'll put that down into the description. But yeah, I'm loving this. I'm gonna give it a little time before I bring you down, because it's probably still gonna develop a little bit and get a little bit more defined in areas. All right, guys, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share, and stay safe and create. All right, guys, here it is. Hi, Chloe. Meow, meow. It really developed quite a bit since last you saw it. I love the softness of, well, there's a lot of cell action happening there, but this softness coming through here, beautiful. And then over to this corner, we have more cells. And some big boulders. Gorgeous colors. I like it.